Hello, my dear YouTube family. My name is Parth, and I welcome you to our channel Must Watch Tips. So, today I'm going to show how to make this beautiful and amazing PowerPoint presentation where the text is behind the mountain and this is fully animated. And trust me, we can make this in just few steps. So, I'll be showing you how to make this step by step. And now, without any further talks, let's get into the video very quickly. So I'm here in the blank presentation, and before we begin, we need an high quality image of mountains. So you can directly go to your internet browser and search for mountains. And I have downloaded this image from pixels.com. So this website provides good quality images and as well as videos. So you can search directly here mountains, and you can choose these type of images where the background is uniform and there are less clouds available. You can even choose this one. So I've already downloaded that image in my system. So I'll go to insert and I will insert that image. So I'll choose this one and click on insert. We don't want this placeholder, so I'll delete this. And we can crop the image because we don't need this land. And let me expand it like this. So as you can see, if I zoom in, then the image is quite in good quality. So make sure you have a good quality image. Now let me duplicate this slide by pressing Ctrl D or Command D. And in the second slide, I will select the image and let us remove the background. So if you'll go to picture format, then you have an option of removing the background. So if I click on this, the AI automatically detects some of the images where the background gets removed. But in some cases, you can see that the AI cannot or the system cannot able to detect and does not able to remove the background. So here we have an option to mark areas to keep and mark areas to remove. So we can go to mark areas to keep, and then I can select this border like this so that I want to keep this much of portion, as well as in this side. So this is how your image will look. So I'll select keep changes and I will go to crop and I will crop the extra part like this. So this is how your images looks like after removing the background. So if you can remember that I've told you earlier that keep the images or select the images where the clouds are not visible, only the plain background is there. So this is why I've told you, because if you select the images where clouds are there, then the system won't be able to detect that this is the background and you won't be able to do this step. So now let me put this image right here. And as we have completed removing this background, then we don't want this first slide, so we will delete this. Now for the background, let us right click and go to format background. Let us choose gradient fill where we will have the three colors, or you can even choose two colors gradient. Now first shade will be the blue one. So let us say we want to have this blue color, and in the second shade, let us take a color from this image. So let us fix this color for background. Now let's go to insert and add a text box where we will write mountains, and you can choose whatever text you want to add. Let's increase its size, and this time let us take Bernard empty. I'll choose white color, and now as you can see we have two objects. So we will send this object to back like this. We have mountains at the top and we have text box behind the mountains. Now let us duplicate this slide. So I'll press Ctrl D, and in the first slide we will hide this text box. Let us first reduce its size something like this, and now I will make sure that it is hidden behind the mountains. And in the second one, I will increase the size of mountains a bit like this. Now the last step is to add a morph transition. So I will select both of this slide, go to transition and apply morph transition. And let us say we want to have duration of 1 second, and let us click on apply to all. So now if I click on slideshow, this is how it looks. So I hope you like this video and have taken something from this video. And before moving to the next video, please hit the subscribe button and share it with your friends. And now it's time to say you goodbye. See you in the next video.